In this video, I will teach you how to color doodle art. We can download doodle art from any website such as Freepik. Search doodle art and choose the one you like to color. Click on the image. Download the file. After downloading, extract the files. Open EPS file in Adobe Illustrator. Right-click on the image and click on Ungroup. It will ungroup the layers. Select the one you like to color. Copy the selected image and paste it into another artboard. Select the image, right-click on the image, and click on Ungroup. Select the face, right-click, and select Release Compound Path. Select Shape Builder Tools and with the help of this tool click on the inner shape. It will help you to cut both outer and inner layers. Select the face and color it whatever you want. I choose a blue color for the face. Select the eyes and repeat the same process. With the help of the Shape Builder tool, cut inner and outer layers of eyes by clicking on the path. Color the eyes. I choose a white and yellow color for eyes. Same process with the second eye. Select the Shape Builder tool, the shortcut key is Shift-M, cut it with the Shape Builder tool, and color the eyes. I select a color with the help of the Eyedropper tool. The shortcut key is I. Now select mouth and repeat the same process. Color the mouth and teeth. I choose white color for teeth and mouth. You can choose the color as per your choice. Here we have done coloring doodles in Adobe Illustrator. You can save the file and export it in PNG format. The shortcut key for PNG export is Ctrl-Alt-Shift-S. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. I will introduce many more exciting videos in the future, so stay tuned.